My name is Jo Delahunty. I am a Queen's Counsel specialising in family law, practising at the bar. I'm also a part-time judge. My intention is to try to give the public some idea about what goes on in the family courts when I go into work and the public are excluded. So it would be trying to describe to the public what happens in any day, in any court in the land which is hearing family cases, whether they're private or public. I come from a family who aren't lawyers, who aren't professionals, and they still have very little idea about what I do in my daily life. And it strikes me if my closest family don't understand what I do, including not putting on a wig and a gown, then members of the public will have even less of an idea, and their only knowledge will come from the snippets they pick up in the papers, what they read on the television, and that's only going to be a tiny, tiny percentage and a tiny insight into what happens. So I'm here over the course of 3 years to try to explain to people what goes on in the family courts across the country. I think it's going to be a shock to my system to be in a position where I can't control the environment. So I might control my lectures, but I have no control over the questions that are asked of me. I'll need to be prepared from having questions that come from the left field. It won't be a legally educated audience, and I really like that buzz. I think that's going to be a real adrenaline surge.